Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how an XOR gate works. Okay, let's get an XOR gate from this panel. This is the symbol of an XOR gate. This is similar to OR gate. So look at the OR gate. This is similar to an OR gate, but there is another curve here on the input side. This is an XOR gate. For the two inputs, we will connect two toggle switches again. And for the output, we will connect the light bulb. As you can see, if the inputs are both off, the output is off. And when I turn on one of the inputs, the output turns on. So let's turn off this again and turn on the other input. So the output turns on. And when both inputs are on, the output turns off. You will notice that when both inputs are off, the light bulb is off, the output is off. When both inputs are on, the light bulb is also off. So it means that when these two inputs are the same, the light bulb is off. And when one of these is on, the light bulb is on. Okay, so that's how an XOR gate works. So let's go to the truth table. Okay, let's have the truth table for XOR gate. From the simulation that we just had a while ago, it shows that the output of an XOR gate is off when the two inputs are off or the two inputs are on. The output turns on when only one of these inputs is 1. The output here will be 0, 1, 1, and 0. Okay? When the two inputs are the same, it's 0. Okay? When one of these two inputs is 1, then the output is 1. So that's how an XOR gate works. Okay? So in the next video, I will show you how an XNOR gate works. Okay? Stay tuned. Bye.